Starting on Sunday, members of the public can now purchase their weekly ration of surgical masks from local public health centers, in addition to designated pharmacies, marking the second stage of the government's mask rationing scheme.
303 public health centers throughout Taiwan are taking part in the program, which follows the same alternate day rules for purchase as in pharmacies.
The Executive Yuan has also announced that free masks will be distributed to drivers in the public transportation sector.
It looks like another queue for face masks. People get their temperatures taken, hand over their national health insurance cards and wait for the masks. However, this is no pharmacy. It's the Public Health Center in Linkou, New Taipei City. Taiwan has now officially entered the second stage of the face mask rationing scheme. That includes the nation's local public health centres. Some members of the public who were not aware of the regulations showed up despite having received their ration within the last 7 days.
I stood in line about 4 or 5 times in the last month, and only once did I score some masks. Today is the second time I succeeded. Many people came repeatedly during the 7-day period and were turned away.
Some people who didn't don a mask were denied entry. They said they were there because they needed a mask.
On weekends, we have 2 coworkers and a volunteer here to help out. As for manpower, we take turns coming in to work.
Here in Taichung, a poster at the entrance of a local public health centre shows the flow of procedures for acquiring masks.
In Taichung City, we've adopted the concept of a drive-through. People who want to purchase masks are barred from entering the medical facilities. The transaction is done at the door. People who are here to get a shot or see a doctor are directed away from the masked shoppers.
The Executive Yuan has also announced that people who operate various forms of public transportation, including long-haul buses, tour buses and taxis, will be allocated 1 mask a day to be protected from the epidemic.